Make a great choice today with the 2020 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.